Today is Yannick the Curvy Diva birthday.
Oh, happy birthday! Oh, this is so nice. No, sir. Who needs a man? No, man.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, I just want to take this moment to send a happy birthday to Yannick the Curvy Diva, and I will encourage everyone to get in the comment section and do the same thing. You see me? I say big up the Curvy Diva on her birthday, people. You see me? So I have some video for sure now. Plus, she post a piece of picture there on Instagram. You see me? I say the whole place burn up. You see me? Now, I know I say that picture them I can't show no the whole thing, but I go show a part of it, and I go show the caption where she have with it. So it look like she started her birthday celebration early. She went to an hotel or some place, I don't know. You see me? It look like one of the place where Shensia did there because of the same thing with the chef them and the spatula and thing. It look like I see him setting. Not say that have nothing to do with nothing, but you know what I mean? I just recognize the place. So I'm going to show another video them and show you what she are going with. So take a look. Here it goes.
Oh, isn't this fun? Happy birthday! Oh! What a piece of excitement! Oh, happy birthday! Oh, this is so nice! No, sir. Who needs a man? No, man. No, sir. Where's wanna go? I don't need nobody. No. Camel, thank you. Ocean Coral, thank you. No, it's nice. No. Camel, thank you. Ocean Coral, thank you.
Well, goddamn, go shorty. It's your birthday. Your man big her up on her birthday. So me I say, Miss Birthday. If birthday was a person, it's Yanique. You see me I say she go all out with the celebration. But people, like me say, I have a picture for show no and her caption where she write, right? So, I'm going to show you that little more still. But I have a video from Raj, you know what I mean? The money man, the money boss himself, you see me? So, Raj make a deal with Happy Feet. That's one of Shensia dancer, if you don't know. And this is the deal that Raj is making with Happy Feet. And this is the amount of money we am put up for the stakes, all right? So, take a look at this video. Here goes.
What are you saying now? What is going to happen?
So if you do a backflip, you get my 1,000 grand.
1,000 grand?
Yeah.
And where's that money? You have that money on you? Is that cash if I do a backflip?
Yeah.
And you're going to give it to me?
Yes.
You promise? And you have this amount of money on you, Raj?
Yes.
How you have this amount of money? How you get so much money?
Because I'm cute and I'm wanting some of the
What?
gave me money and my mommy gave me some tips and I bring her something.
So you're cute. That's why you have
Lots of money, and mommy gave me more money because she wanted me to get her own Lamborghini for her.
And you're willing to give me all of that money if I do a backflip? Just like that, eh?
Yes.
Okay, let me break my ass. Hold this phone.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see.
I'm ready.
Okay, go. It's time for you to go.
Let me take my phone out, my other phone.
Okay,
Here goes everything, Raj.
okay.
No matter what, once I do the backflip, I'm going to get the money. Doesn't
Okay.
matter if it's done perfectly or not, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Oh,
Right.
Jesus.
What?
Is this US or Jamaican?
US.
That's US?
No.
Is it US or Jamaican?
Jamaican.
Okay, I'm sorry. Give me this. I can't help you. I can't do a backflip for 10,000 Jamaican dollars. It won't happen.
Okay, fine.
It's fine. The deal is over, Raj. It was nice knowing you.
US.
The man look well disappointed him never get to give her the money. You see what me I say? But big up Roger, you know how the thing go. You know what I mean? I'm proud to see him do him thing. You know, the man say him get money because him cute and Shensi give him more money. You see me? I remember I said the man a big ambassador for Chubby. So happy for it for you ask the man when get money from. You see what me I say? But like me say once again, big up Raj people. Now me I go show another picture where Yanique pose. Sort of kind of, because I can't show 8 people, she fully naked, you see what me I say. I just me can show you a piece of the horse where she stood upside her, and then me I go cover up it with the text, and me I go tell her this is what she said anyway, right? This is what she said. She said, yeah, me enough, me see everybody post birthday suit for their B-day, so might as well. Had this pic months ago. I don't make a fuss about birthdays because I celebrate me every day. I want gift and attention all the time. Thanks, and she the photographer she tell thanks, that is Nigel so crazy, and she said happy birthday to me, grateful, right? So people now for just using the imagination for the rest of the 40 years. See what I say. We're not gonna get in that trouble for show it like how it is. I can't show no. Alright? So people other than that, you know what I mean, just get in the comments section and just send her a happy birthday. So may I say, and big up Raj too, you know what I mean, and you can comment whatever you want, comment about both stories, but I just say big her up on her birthday. So may I say. So other than that, people, that's the end of the video, and if it's your first time on this channel, you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.